Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to reply to Instagram comments with a reel. So first thing is open the Instagram application. Then you need to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. Okay, firstly you need to have received a comment on a previous reel that you have posted. If you've got one of those comments, head into their Instagram and you tap open the reel where you have got that comment. Tap open the reel. So once you're at the reel where you have got the comments, you need to tap on the comment icon at the right side on the screen, tap that. Now here you find the comment and there you tap on reply, tap that. Right after you tap on reply, little pop-up will come so that you could reply via text. Now there is a blue camera icon at the left side of your screen, you tap that. Your reel will open and you will have a box with the comment in it. Now here you need to record your reel as normal. Tap on the circle grid and record a reply for that comment. The comment box that appears on the reel is similar to the other Instagram sticker. You can move it around on the screen. You can make it larger or smaller, just like that. If you tap on that, you can change the color as well. Now once you have done all the changes and recorded your reel as a reply, you tap on next. You tap on edit clips and you will be able to make edits, or you can also add audio in here. If you tap on the add audio on the bottom, you will be directed to the music section where you will be able to add the song that's of your choice. If you want to add clip, you can tap on add clip over here and record another reply to it. Just tap that. It will add the video once more. Tap on next. Now all you need to do is here you need to tap on share, tap that. Now if you go to the reel where you have just replied, you will see a reply to the Instagram comment with a reel. So this is a latest update on Instagram where you can reply to a reel comment with a actual reel. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.